Hello everybody, here is PNB Auto Parts. Today I will recommend RS bumper, most popular RS bumper to you. As we know, many of A7 or S7's car owners want to change the performance of their own car. And they find everything in Alibaba. And now we will provide you the most popular products in Alibaba for the Audi A7 and S7's car model. It's RS7's car bumper. As for all of our customers, they want to know whether the bumper is fitment for their original car model. Just see this, I have taken it to you. You can see this original car model is an Audi A7, and now we put an RS7's bumper on it. We should take care of two things. First of all, the fender of the bumper's fitment. You can see this bumpers and this fender's fitment will be the perfect one. And the bumpers with headlights fitment, you also can see it's very, very perfect fitment. So this is what our product's fitment and what is our product's quality. I recommend these bumpers for you. If you want it, please contact us or click Alibaba. They're selling to charge for it. Okay, that's all. Thank you. I recommend these products to you. If you need any other Audi performance, such as Audi bumpers, Audi grills, and other things, please contact us. We will provide you more Audi appearance modification to you.